Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired to your iPhone and both have current updates. This prevents compatibility delays. Next, enable Bluetooth and wrist detection on the watch so the bike can read heart rate. On the Peloton bike, open Settings, choose Bluetooth, then select Connect Apple Watch. Tap the watch name when it appears. You're initiating a secure link. Once done, keep the watch on your wrist and the devices within 3-6 feet for discovery. Once you see the pairing prompt, accept it on the Apple Watch and the iPhone. Delaying may cancel discovery. Then, open the Peloton app on the iPhone and allow health access, heart rate, motion, and active energy. These permissions let Peloton read live metrics and save workout data. Back on the bike, verify the watch appears under Bluetooth devices and shows a connected icon. If the watch asks to share data with health, agree. Make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth remains active. Start a Peloton ride and select the heart rate display. The bike should stream live beats per minute from the watch. If nothing appears, first toggle Bluetooth off and on for both the watch and the bike. This often resolves transient issues. If that fails, unpair and repair the watch via the bike settings. As a final step, restart the Apple Watch or the Peloton. This clears caches and forces fresh connections. One key tip: confirm Apple Health is receiving heart rate data. If it's not, Peloton won't either.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.